Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be going over the hidden perks of being a loan officer. So if you're someone that's considering the career and maybe you wanna know a little bit more about what goes on behind the scenes or why someone would become a loan officer, make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'm gonna go over some pretty cool things. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, number one is that the pre-licensing will only take you 2 weeks. Imagine that. I don't even think the courses for nurses are that fast, you guys. I think for a nurse, you have to be in school for a couple of years. So as a loan officer, you can get in so quick. And by the way, I have partnered up with OnCourse. They're the company that I use to get my license, and they are offering the Enrique and Greatness family 20% off your purchase. So make sure you check them out if you are looking to become a loan officer. But yeah, guys, you can get it done in 2 weeks. And I think the earliest, they also have an option where you can get it done in just 7 days. And I really can't think of another business where their education just takes 2 weeks compared to the amount of money that you can make in this business. All right, number two are the startup costs. So to become a loan officer, you only need about $500 in your bank account. Imagine that. $500 to become a loan officer. You don't need 20,000. You don't even need to go to college, by the way. You don't need any of those things. You just need $500. You got to meet some of the basic requirements where you can check on the NMLS website. You can also give them a call. A lot of you guys are like, hey, Enrique, can I get my license if I'm this? Can I get my license if that? Give them a call, you guys. Their customer service is phenomenal. After you finish your pre-licensing, you're gonna apply for your NMLS license. You're gonna submit your application, which I think is like $300. So that adds up to about $500, $600 to become a loan officer. And then on top of that, every single year, you need to renew your license. You need to take about an 8-hour course and pay about $300. So there is a renewal fee every single year. But compared to going out and being a doctor and paying 200 grand, I'm totally for it. All right, number three, and this is where it gets exciting, you can make your own schedule. Because most of the stuff that you're working with is just, completing applications, going through documents, emailing people, emailing the bank, emailing the client. And that's all stuff you can do really throughout any time, right? You can do applications early in the morning. Maybe you want to wake up at 4 a.m., do applications, and then the rest of your day is free. The only time you really need to work during business hours is if a client has a question, but everything else you can do at night, super late or super early in the morning, and leave your days completely open. So that's a beautiful thing about being a loan officer, is that there's no time schedule. You can also even get it done on the weekends. So if you want to do this as a part-time job, as a part-time gig, you could even do all those applications, all those conversations, all those phone calls, applications on the weekend, late night, midnight, whatever. Which brings us to number four, is that you can work from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, guys, you can work from anywhere. I know loan officers that work around the globe. Like, they literally travel around the world and they're doing loans in Egypt, they're doing loans in Greece, they're doing loans in Paris. Because all you need is an internet connection. Every now and then you are going to get a client that wants to meet you in person, do a consultation in person, but I'm pretty sure you can find out a way, to make up for it or create your business to where you can be completely virtual. Do I recommend it? Not really. Can you do it? Absolutely. Are there people doing it? Absolutely. So you can also just be, working at home, taking applications, taking calls. Now with Zoom, you can do Zoom calls, right? Maybe those people that want to do an in-person consultation, you can be there in a computer with a real estate agent. So that's a great thing, is that you can work from practically anywhere, which is, I know a lot of you guys like that, right? We're going in a generation where people want to travel, they want to work from home, they want to be virtual, and this is a business where you can do that. You can go into the office right now, I'm here at the office, or, you can work from home, you can work from the airport, you can work from wherever. All right, number five is that the income potential is huge, you guys. Like, you can literally make millions and millions and millions of dollars as a loan officer, especially compared to the amount of effort that you put in. One loan file, one deal, in the beginning, they are going to take you more time, but as you get better and you build a team, you might just need to touch a file, to touch a deal, like 3 to 4 hours, and you're going to get paid $5,000 to $10,000 on those 3 to 4 hours, right? Which is insane. You're basically getting paid $1,000 an hour, right? If you can become super, super, super efficient. So yeah, the amount of money that you can make here is insane. And again, because this is completely virtual, just on a computer, you can handle more volume than a real estate agent, right? Because a real estate agent, you're out there on the field, right? You're out there driving clients to houses. You're out there showing homes. So you can only show so many homes on a weekend. But you can do a good amount of deals, a good amount of loans from home on your computer, right? You'll be at home on your computer all day, but you can do it and all that stuff. So that's a great thing about this business, is that the income potential is huge, and you can work on volume because you're virtual. And just so you guys have an idea, my best month in the business, just 1 month, I've made $40,000 to $50,000 in just 1 month. So think about that. That's how much some people make in an entire year, and that's been my best month yet, 1 month. All right, number 6 is that you get a behind the scenes look as to how real estate works, right? Real estate mortgages, they're super, super complicated, and they're also one of the most important things on this planet. Aside from your health, real estate is one of the biggest, most important investments an individual will make in their life. And you happen to be someone that knows the ins and outs on a deeper level, even more than a real estate agent. Right? You have a conversation with a real estate agent. Hey, how do I buy a house? They're like, oh, talk to my loan officer. Oh, there's this program, but I don't really know too much about it. For the most part, it's the loan officer that has the power, that has the understanding, that has the knowledge as to how to buy real estate, which is going to help you. Right? If you don't own property yet, or if you want to, own multiple properties, you're your own expert. You're your own, free consultant, free advisor. Which brings us to number 7, and I kind of already went into this, which is you're going to be the expert for everyone else, right? You're going to be the life of the party in the sense of people are going to come to you for information. People are going to come for you for data, right? You're going to be at the Christmas party, the Thanksgiving party, and they're going to be like, hey, Enrique, what are rates at? Hey, Enrique, any new programs? Hey, Enrique, how do I buy? Hey, Enrique, my credit. Hey, Enrique, blah, blah, blah. Whereas when you're a real estate agent, they don't really ask you, they're just like, hey, how's the market? But when you're a loan officer, people gravitate more to you, right? They're out there asking you questions, which is nice because you're going to feel special. All right, number 8 is that you have the opportunity to make the biggest impact on someone's life. You're in that seat, you're in that car, you're part of that experience, right? One of the most important investments, purchases someone will ever make in their entire life is a home, is an investment property, right? Somewhere to live with their family. And you're the person that's going to be there with them for that experience. It's kind of like being a doctor and delivering the baby. You're kind of that person. You're there. You're the doctor delivering the baby. You can meet someone for a minute or two, for a few days, not for an entire lifetime, but because you've helped them with one of the most important purchases of their life, you become that special person. I remember a few weeks ago, a family that I helped purchase their home invited me to a housewarming party, and they treated me just like their family, right? So, there's no words for that, you guys. There's no words. They treat you like family. All right, number 9 is you get to build a powerful network and make great friends. What do I mean by this? Well, in the business side, you're going to meet a lot of people, right? A bunch of real estate agents, business owners, and you're going to have all these powerful connections, attorneys, CPAs, which are in turn going to help you in your business, but also help you personally, right? You're going to meet attorneys, CPAs. Hey, CPA, how can I, make the most of my taxes? How can I, whatever. But you're going to have all these powerful connections, right? Your network is a powerful thing in life. And on the other hand, you're going to make all these great friends like I just spoke about. The people that you help buy their home, they become your friends, and they also become part of your network, right? I have a lot of clients that are attorneys. I have clients that have an auto body repair. I have clients that are electrician, plumber, XYZ. So if I need something for myself, I could call Bob the plumber, right? And he's going to help me. He may even give me a special discount code, a special discount because I'm his loan officer. Hey, you're my loan officer, Enrique, I got you. I have a client that's like, hey, Enrique, my vacation home, if you ever need it, just say the words and I'll give you the keys. It's a beautiful thing. So those are the perks of being a loan officer, the kind of the behind the scenes that people don't really talk about. If you enjoyed this video, leave a big thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this. And if you're looking to become a loan officer, make sure you check out that discount code. Another thing that I'll do for you guys that do use that discount code is I'll give you a 20% off my store on the packages. So I have a bronze, silver, gold, diamond, platinum package on materials. If you use OnCourse for your pre-licensing education, reach out to me and I'll get you guys a 20% off discount code for the materials. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you and be great.